Hello everyone. In the video, we are going to cover 5 best cabinet jacks in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our best pick is Laserjamb Cabinet Jack. This FastCap Support System has been designed in a way to provide the ultimate support for upper cabinets. You can do it after you have correctly installed the base cabinet. The Cabinet Jack has been designed to help you in residential construction. It is constructed with solid steel and ABS material that provides additional durability to the cabinet jack. You can stay sure that the cabinet jack has the capability of holding the weight and helping you throughout. This high-end cabinet jack has the ability to support a load capacity of 150 pounds. So, it can become the perfect helping hand for you in times of requirement. It can range from 16.5 inches to 22.8 inches to help you in your constructional purpose. Its ranging ability can provide you with the ultimate help you require while installing cabinets. Besides, included with textured rubber pads on this jack provides better gripping. So, your cabinet will stay in place while you can make the necessary adjustment. It has fully articulated ends and an action lever providing secure pressure. Its amazing design and action lever infusion also help in quick release. The availability of 2 oversized 6x6 support feet can become a good base for your installation requirement. It has the perfect design for lifting and supporting your upper cabinet. So, if you are in need of an extra hand, this cabinet jack can be the ultimate choice for you. Number 2. Our second best pick is XINQIAO Cabinet Jack. This support system is a premium quality third-hand support system that one can use for multiple purposes. It is handy and perfectly constructed to take different types of projects like drywall jack, cabinet jack, arrange food, crown molding, and a lot more. It is an excellent choice if you require one proper jack for your woodworking project. It has the GS certification that provides you with the assurance you need. The jack has a weight capacity of 70 kilograms or 154 pounds, which makes it a heavy-duty tool. Being constructed with high-density metal along with a premium aluminum handle, it becomes a good choice for your woodworking project. To make sure that it does not slip around, it has the TPR pads included in it. The tool ensures no scratches and can be the best choice for different working conditions. The adjustable labor-saving arm can hold it tight in different positions. It is also the reason why it can be used for several purposes. The long rod can expand from 4 to 9.5 feet, the short rod can expand from 1.5 to 2.5 feet, and the medium rod can expand from 2 to 3.8 feet. The availability of handles ensures minute adjustment. Included with the spring-loaded pins that easily pop out in the outer pole can be used for locking the height. The presence of a white calibration line can help you to realign pins if the rod is rotated. The availability of a safety lock helps to hold a safer position of this hand tool. Number 3. Our third best pick is DPMYPH Cabinet Jack. This labor-saving arm jack is multifunctional lifting equipment with some significant advantages in woodworking. It can improve productivity and save your valuable money and time. It has a multifunctional handheld labor-saving arm that can help you do all the work independently. The total height is around 12 inches and which can be lifted to 5.9 inches. The cabinet jack includes a double cross base of a 3.8 by 4.1 inch base. It is a sturdy base that has a lifting capability of 220 pounds. It is a practically auxiliary installation tool that provides you with the versatility of use in different scenarios. It can help you with door lifts, cabinet jacks, plank lifts, drywall lifts, height adjustment of wall tile, and a lot more. It includes arm-saving design along with a handheld design that allows you to rise it quickly. All you need is to press the grip of the installers, and it will perform the actions gently. The inclusion of a stainless steel base which is reinforced and thickened, provides ultimate stability and security. The major component of this tool is the strong compression string. It is manufactured from silicon manganese that offers the toughness and strength required. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is HANDYMAN Cabinet Jack. This adjustable support pole is a great quality adjustable support foam constructed with high-density metal and heavy-duty ABS plastic. It provides the strength that you need while doing heavy-duty work. It has a blue oxide finish that provides the ultimate durability to the product. It is specially created for different types of drywall support and becomes your helping hand in times of requirement. It is considered the third hand as the support system provides a height adjustment from 45 to 114 inches. So, you will be able to use the product for doing heavy-duty work. Its huge height adjustment is a great advantage. Apart from this, the spring-loaded springs and the turning bar in this support pole provide additional space for adjustment. So, it becomes a valuable choice for different purposes. It is a great choice to keep your hands free from use. It is literally the third hand while you're working alone. It is a quick support tool that can help you while installing the upper cabinets, crown molding, drywall, light fixtures, and a lot more. It has a load-bearing capacity of 66 lb and non-slip pads to ensure additional security. You can stay sure that the support pole will not slip around while using it. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is FastCap Cabinet Jack. This little hand is extendable base support that comes with easy adjustment. Its precise jack system provides ultimate versatility with its simple adjustment. You can easily support different heights with this extendable weight support lift. It can become the perfect third hand for you to help you in the lifting. This expandable base of Cabinet Jack has a telescopic design. It can extend to different heights from 23.5 to 38 inches. So, based on your requirement, you can adjust your height between these. It is included with the oversized 6 by 6 inches support feet that provides reliability and peace of mind. It ensures the stability that you require. It provides unbelievable strength as it has a load capacity of 150 pounds. Therefore, it can easily take on any kind of lifting work. The package includes 2 lifts and a travel-friendly bag to make it easy for you to transport. It can be the best choice for you to help you in the lifting activities. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.